Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and well. I'm Zain Ahmed back again with a new video. Today I am going to show you how to fulfill Amazon to eBay dropshipping orders with the AutoDS tool. Let me tell you first that what is the AutoDS tool? AutoDS is an automation software which is used to manage eBay dropshipping products inventory and new products uploads. It's available in both API and non-API functions. If you would like, you can join it with my affiliate link from the video description below. Before walking ahead, I have a humble request to all of you guys. If you are new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. Let's start without wasting any time. Click on your AutoDS Orders tab. I got this order today and here is some details of this order. Currently, order status is standby. That means I didn't mark it yet for anything because I didn't purchase it so far. I'll do it now in front of you guys to teach you how to do it. I can change the status of this order to remember it in future. That will help me out about what I have done with my previous orders. Did I purchase them or did I cancel one of them? This is source ESIN number and this is our Amazon product link too. Open it in new tab. Click on add to cart. Buy it as a gift because we don't want that customer gets any receipt of my Amazon purchase. Click on proceed to checkout. Scroll down to end. Now here we can see I'm getting paste option already using AutoDS tool Chrome extension. Let me show you how to add it into the Chrome browser. Write in your Google Chrome AutoDS helper Chrome extension. First link is the right link. Open it. You can add it from here. I have it already, that's why it's showing remove from Chrome. After adding it to Chrome, you don't have to do anything. Just click on this icon. Now here is the full details from the customer, like how much he paid, how much quantity of the item he did purchased, and his shipping address with phone number. You don't have to copy all that stuff manually again and again. Just use AutoDS tool Chrome extension copy paste feature. Click on copy with phone number. Okay, it has been copied. Just click on paste. The extension will put same address without any mistake. Now click on add address. Now we have to put the small note as a gift message for the customer. I prepared a small note. I will put that note here in the box. You can get that note from the video description below to get the idea from this. Or you can also use this with small implementations. Now write the store name here. Say hi to the customer. Hi Elizabeth. Save gift options and continue. Now select your payment method. As we can see, I have a capital reward of 3.09 US dollars, which is from my previous purchase on Amazon. I can apply those points to reduce the dues of purchase. Now I just have to pay 7.07 US dollars. Check the delivery options. Here are two options. You can choose your suitable delivery options. I would like to get fast shipping, so I'll remain in 11 November instead of 12 November. Now place your order here. Okay, it has been purchased. Here we can see in our orders area. It's perfect. It's arriving Wednesday by 9 p.m. Now change the order status in the AutoDS tool. It's done. Our dropshipping order has been purchased from Amazon. That's all. Now try it with yourself. If you have any questions, then please write down in the comment section below. I will try to reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and share it on Facebook, WhatsApp or Twitter. If you still didn't subscribe to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get latest uploads from our channel. We will meet soon in the next video. Till take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.